Perfect. Well, thank you. Nice meeting you.
Yeah,
and
cheers.
that's David Rocco. So I'm here with Tiffany Pratt, who is the creative director at the National Home Show.
So we're here at the National Home Show to serve up fresh inspiration for color. We're working with the creative director of the show. Her name is Tiffany Pratt. I'm sure you've heard of her.
If someone walked in here and they want to change their house with a bold idea, what do you think they should hit first? What's the first mark they should go?
Always color, always paint. Everybody can afford a gallon of paint. Everybody can have their life transformed with a gallon of paint. It's easy to find, it's easy to do, you can change it anytime, there's no commitment, and it will make your life infinitely better.
Major retailers are here like Leon's, Sleep Country, and Kitchen Stuff Plus. And you can spin for a free gift at Kitchen Stuff Plus.
25% off the most expensive eligible item in booth while the event is running.
Thank you.
And thanks for stopping by.
You can plan your next outdoor kitchen. Or even get ready for a new pool. And plan your next backyard project. Oh, you can create an enclosed gazebo and plan your next spa. And outside of home products, they also have food.
We'll get it done. The trailer will be worth a lot more money down the road. Samples, my friend, enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. If you're buying a house with RE/MAX, make sure you ask your agent for a VIP pass. And enjoy a free coffee.
This is a wild ride through Italy with David Rocco.
3, 2, 1, go.
This is an unabashed journey of one man eating his way through a country.
Hello. Tourists come here to get a piece of the old world, Palermo the way it was. Thanks for your sandwich.
There we go. Okay.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
So, could you tell us a bit about David Rocco's Eating Dirty?
Okay, so it's like what it says, eating dirty, eat unapologetically. So, you know, your doctor or your trainer, do you have a trainer?
I do not.
Okay, so one day you're gonna get a trainer,
my
right?
trainer.
Yeah, okay, and he's gonna tell you, okay, this weekend you gotta eat clean. Your doctor, okay, you gotta eat clean now. And I'm like, yeah, you know what? Forget about that. I want to eat dirty. So it's unapologetic eating and just enjoying food.
And what is one appliance you would think everyone should have that you have that is not really known, or like, what is an appliance that you love?
I love the, I have a salamander. It's not a common appliance. It was one of my, I guess, no, I wouldn't say impulsive buys, but a happy buy, because it is like built in, and it's just, I raise it up,
Comes up and it's done.
it's a broiler, it's a salamander, it's excessive, but I love it.
And last question, what would you say is your favorite ingredient? Like a meat, or like...
Can I say two?
Sure.
Are you gonna let me say two?
Okay.
Well, olive oil for sure, really good olive oil, and Parmigiano Reggiano. It's always
Yes.
something that's on my table.
Perfect. Well,
Yeah.
thank you. Nice
Thank
meeting you.
buddy. Yeah,
and
cheers.
that's David Rocco.
Thanks.
There we go. So I'm here with Ryan from SimShacks, and could you tell us about this SimShack right here?
Sure. So we construct golf simulators for people's backyards. We essentially apply for permits, we construct the shed, and then we install all the golf simulation. So this one here, it features a 16 by 20 structure. Inside it has a 208-inch screen TV, which can be used for golf simulation, obviously, but it can also be used for gaming. It can be used for Netflix, whatever you want to do inside of there. So. It basically tracks most of the metrics that anybody would need to understand how they're hitting the golf ball. So it actually even shows a video of the impact position.
Oh, wow.
But it also shows your club speed, your spin rates, your smash factors, so anything that you would want to know in order to improve your golf game.
Yeah. Well, thank you. Nice
You're
meeting
welcome.
you, Ryan.
Pleasure to meet you as well. Okay.
Hi, my name is Sandra. I'm a senior designer at Bonneville Home. So we're here at the National Home Show with a feature home to present it to you and make you dream, like what we can do. So here we have the Nature L model. The Nature L is part of the Nature series, which is floor-to-ceiling windows, wood beams, and exposed like this cathedral with all the wood ceilings, bringing the nature inside. So you feel like you're almost eating your breakfast in the trees even though you're inside your house. That's what we want to bring to people. A lot of natural light. So if you want to visit the house a little bit, so here we have the living area. So beautiful living room with a lot of light popping to the cathedral ceiling there that creates even more lighting. Imagine that on the side of a lake, looking out. Beautiful entryway, a lot of space. So when you have a big family, you can, and you're not stepping on each other's toes. Then we come in here, laundry room, utility space with washer, dryer, and a sink. A little closet in the back. Then you have the guest bedroom, which is a queen size bed in there, so there's enough space. And you have a closet as well. The master bedroom, king size bed. Enough space again, closet here, even a walk-in closet on the other side, right here. You know, his and hers, right? So everyone has enough space to put their things in there. You have the master ensuite with a big sink, but 2 faucets. So no fighting for the water, but you have a big sink. Shower and a toilet cubby. So there's a door. Intimity, you have it.
What are some of the customizable features when you get a home like this? Like, could you make it like longer, add a floor?
Yeah, I can do everything. This house can be made longer, add the 3rd bedroom. I can add another module to it because this is modular still again. We have 2 manufacturers, so it's designed and manufactured in our Innovation Centre. So we prove ourselves for all the Canadian made products. We want to make sure to use like the plumbing and even everything here, the counters and the appliances and even the furniture, all from Canadian-based company. Yeah, the website is bonneville.ca. You will see everything for all the models, the signature, the custom models we do, and all the series of housing we do as well. Make you dream.
And that was Sandra from Bonneville Homes. Nice meeting you.
My pleasure. Nice meeting you as well. Thank you.
Welcome to the Crafternoon Lounge. Designer Tiffany Pratt uses painted furniture and crocheted ceilings to create a joyful space celebrating creativity, color, and handmade design. And for example, what is your favorite color to paint a house? What do you think really brings out the walls and everything?
Contrary to popular belief, I actually really like white. I think white is light, and I think when you use white as a background, color pops. So if you do a beautiful white background, art, sofas, rugs, colorful ceilings, incredible window dressings, all of that just really jumps when you use a nice light background.
Yeah. Well, thank you, Tiffany. Nice meeting you.
So nice to meet you too. Thanks for being here.
No problem.
Okay.
Come check out the National Home Show.
Oh, precious.
We had a great time at the National Home Show. Make sure you come check it out. See you at the next adventure. Bye.